Alright, so I kind of got it laid out where I can see it. That's going to be the end leg, that's going to be the end leg. It's got a piece over here that fits on either side. I just got it on this side. I tell you what I'm probably going to do. I'm probably going to follow the directions just so I don't get to where I have to take something back apart just to put something together. Okay, so as I was saying, I bought myself this Bosch router table. You got to put it together with all these things. So I got my AC Delco power tool. I got my Bowen core wrench socket set out here to help me. And we're going to put this thing together. And that's the wrong one there. It's put together with mostly these black screws and nuts here. So we're going to put this together right quick. Hard, just some carriage bolts. Got room. Have to move some things around here to get some room. Okay. Now I'm not sponsored, so Bosch didn't send me this ride to buy it. Same with my AC Delco tool driver here. Now Bowen did send me this socket set and asked me to review it, and I've done a review on it. I need a short one to deep. So I can get in here. I tried to do an honest review on that. You gotta be careful putting these on. You don't want to over tighten them, bust the plastic. It's just a plastic leg here, so we're not looking to tear something up. We're looking to put something together. Somebody shout amen right there. That's right, I said it. Okay. Oh, come on. All right, there we go. All right, let's speed this thing up a little bit. Hey, welcome back to Bosch Shop. As you can see, I got the Bosch router table assembled. I got the Bosch router installed. I had a few challenges. Most of them were related to me not fully reading the instructions. But hey, I got her put together, and all I got to do now is learn how to use it a little bit. Y'all give this thing a look. I think y'all like it too. I think it's going to work out real well for me. Meantime, y'all have a blessed day.